Get ahead of the curve with key insights into emerging consumer packaged goods trends at Trend Hunter's two-day CPG Innovation Conference. Hear from our roster of speakers as they address shifts in the CPG space, outlining emerging trends and evolving consumer preferences to help you stay ahead of the competition. This two-day event will act as an innovation catalyst with keynotes packed with data from Trend Hunter, the world's #1 trend firm. Hear from industry leaders on our CPG panel as they present real-world examples of how they innovate. You can also network and experience emerging trends at our Future Party, where you can discover industry-disrupting vendors with innovative offerings. Plus, Trend Hunter workshop sessions will turn insight into action as you explore real-world case studies and scenarios relevant to the CPG industry. All attendees will receive our CPG Trend Report, which outlines the top 50 trends emerging in the CPG industry. Plus, you'll receive additional perks, including a personalized innovation assessment, an exclusive recap deck with content highlights from the day, one-on-one sessions with trend hunters, and much more.
This festival is unlike any conference I've been to before.
I highly recommend it to everybody. If you haven't been, you gotta go.
You're getting information that gives you tactical advantage over your competitors. And that's the benefit of Future Fest.
Come experience the future with Trend Hunter at our two-day CPG Innovation Conference. If you want to learn more, head to futurefestival.com/CPG.